Let's really make our resumes magical. Let's start by looking for a job description that describes your dream role or your goal role. Then you want to gather information by having an informational interview. After that, figure out what you're targeting and what keywords describe that role. From there, you want to use that language in your cover letter and resume. Now, does your experience align, or will you have to showcase your transferable skills? What is a transferable skill? Skills that can be applied in multiple roles and may require a brief explanation to show what you've done in the past will support you in being successful in your future role. As you craft your resume, I want you to remember that you might need to exclude some education or job experiences to help fit this new role that you want. Also, add aspects of your experience that are directly relevant or are transferable. Put the focus on this so the hiring manager does it too.